Boost your YouTube channel with ChatGPT, ultimate step-by-step guide for engaging content creation, AI-powered insights. Hello everyone, I'm excited to welcome you back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT, a tool that can make your content more interesting. If you've ever wondered about using the power of AI on your channel, you are in the right place. So, let's dive in. As we all know, communicating online has become really important for content creators. We make videos, write articles, but when it comes to interacting with our audience, using tools like AI can be really powerful. That's why in today's video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT. It's like a language expert that can understand things and write like a human. First, let's understand what ChatGPT is all about. ChatGPT is a clever kind of technology that can create text that looks like a human wrote it. It's like having a friendly robot that can chat with you, answer questions, and give information. Now we will see how to start with ChatGPT. Open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Find the ChatGPT area and either sign in or make a new account. Choose the way you want to use it. You can try it for free or choose a plan that you like. Once you're signed in, you're ready to use ChatGPT. When you are signed in, we learn how to use ChatGPT. Make a new chat session where you give some messages or questions. Change how ChatGPT talks by giving it special instructions. For example, you can make it talk like Shakespeare or use a certain tone. Ask your questions or share information like you're having a conversation. Have a back and forth talk to get better and better answers. Now we will introduce some tips for better results. 1. Make your questions clear so you get the answers you want. 2. Try different instructions to make ChatGPT talk the way you like. 3. If a question is too hard, break it into smaller questions. 4. Use the history of your conversation to keep everything in context. Now we see how can we use ChatGPT in real life. You can use ChatGPT in many helpful ways. 1. To chat with your audience and answer their questions. 2. To come up with ideas and plans for your content. 3. To reply to comments or messages with personal answers. 4. To make your writing even more creative and interesting. That's it for our video about ChatGPT. It's a smart tool that can make your content even better. Try things out, have fun, and see what you can create. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more cool tech stuff. Goodbye.